Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy and welcome to my channel. We are heading into Publix today. We had a great haul at Publix. We're going to be picking up 14 items. My daughter has helped me to work on the printable breakdown that is in the description box for you guys, so please utilize that. Also, if you do not already have your coupons printed out, please use my link for coupons.com. It helps me out. Also, if you are not part of IBOTTA, Fetch, Shopkicks, and Swagbucks, please make sure that you go and check out those as well. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to tell you guys. There is a link for some coupons that are, I think, the garbage disposal cleaner in the description box as well, so you can print that off. All right, let's head into Publix and get started. I was so excited when I saw this Organic Girl lettuce. I eat this lettuce all the time. These are on sale for $3.99. You're saving 15 cents on these. But what made this deal so great is that we actually have a coupon for $2 off this item. This is something that we don't usually get coupons on, these fresh items. So anytime I get coupons on fresh items like meat, milk, or, vegetables, fruits, I always make sure I print those off. Now, when I printed this Organic Girl coupon off, it actually came from their website. So what you do is go to their website, sign up for the email, and then they'll send you an email with the coupon in it. When I was able to do that, it came up as a PDF document, so I could print this coupon as many times as I wanted to. Very, very exciting deal for this. So this Organic Girl salad mix is only going to be $1.99 after the $2 coupon that we used here pictured. The next thing we're picking up is a no coupons needed deal. This is the Heinz 20-ounce bottle of ketchup. These are buy one, get one free. So you're going to pick up one of these at $1.39. What a great deal, when originally it was $2.89. No coupons needed for this deal. And look at that, so funny. The label says tomato blood. I wonder what my kids are going to think when they see that. The next deal is on this Hormel pork tenderloin. These are a family favorite in our house. These are just $4.50 after the buy one, get one free. So I'm going to pick up one of these at $4.50. I do not have a coupon for this deal, but it's okay because that's still a great deal for some meats. So I've already have some fresh lettuce and a pork tenderloin. No coupons needed on that. All right, guys, you know I love a moneymaker, and this is an easy peasy one. We're going to be picking up this Jave alkaline water. They are, if you buy 4 of them, they're $6, or they're just $1.50 each. We do have a coupon for $1 from the Jave website, and it was a PDF, so I can print it off as many times as I want. This actually expires at the end of February, so go ahead and print some for yourself. After using that coupon, it was only 50 cents for a bottle of this water. But then, guys, we have an IBOTTA rebate for $1.25 back. With that IBOTTA rebate for $1.25 back, it makes it a 75-cent moneymaker. And I love moneymakers because we can use these moneymakers to pay for our other items that we need, to pay for the meat, pay for the milk, to pay for the veggies. So great deal on the Jave water. It is a IBOTTA deal that only is a one-time deal, so you cannot get up to 5 times like we're used to, but that is okay. So use that dollar coupon, the $1.25 on IBOTTA, making this a 75-cent moneymaker. I got a great deal on this Ajax. These are the 28-ounce bottles. I'm actually going to try this vinegar and lime. I haven't tried that before. I love products with vinegar in it. So these are usually $2.08. They're on BOGO this week. I'm going to pick up one of them at $1.04 and use this 50-cent coupon, making this just 54 cents each. So can't beat that at all, 54 cents for the Ajax dish liquid. This is an incredible deal with the all laundry detergent. This is the 32 to 40 ounce packages. You can get the all blue or the all free and clear, doesn't matter. They are $4.71 usually, but they are buy one, get one free this week, making it $2.35 each. We have a great coupon for $1.50 off any of the all products. So it does not discriminate on the all products for this coupon. $1.50 off. This is going to make this bottle of all laundry detergent just 85 cents each. You can't beat that. And I do want to remind you guys, the coupon policy at Publix is that you can use 8 of the same manufacturer coupons in one transaction. So if I had it, I could pick up 8 bottles of all laundry detergent and use 8 coupons in one transaction. So great. All right, guys, this is a total freebie. Loving this total freebie this week. This Glisten garbage disposal cleaner, they're usually $2.99 at your store, but they are buy one, get one free this week. So one of them will be $1.50. Of course, you have to pick up 2 of them because of the coupon. Now, this coupon is great because it's a PDF coupon and it doesn't expire till the end of this year. So if this deal comes back, I'll be sure to grab more. The Glisten coupon PDF is actually in the description box. So go down below, snag that coupon up, and print as many times as you want. So pick up 2 of these Glisten cleaners for $1.50 each, making it $3 total. The coupon is for $3 off when you buy 2, making it, yes, you got it, totally free. Can't beat a freebie at Publix. So while I'm in the store, I totally forgot to snag a picture of this or take a video, but this Carvana Pro Care Cleaner is on BOGO this week. And when you buy one of them, it's going to be $1.75 for one of them. And then what you're going to do is submit to IBOTTA for $1 back, making these just 75 cents each. And this can be done up to 3 times per receipt. So pretty awesome deal on the stain cleaner. Only 75 cents. You'll find this with the other stain cleaners on your laundry aisle. Totally forgot to snag a video of this too in the store. So this Carvana color grabber, when you buy one of them, they're $2.20 each. There is an IBOTTA that you can do up to 5 times per receipt for $1 back, making these just $1.20 each. Not a great deal, but not a bad deal either. The next thing we're picking up are the Shea Moisture Body Washes. We're going to get 2 of these at $8.99 each. It will make our total $17.98. We have this $6 coupon that just came out in the 123 Unilever. And then we have a $2 off each bottle instant savings at Publix. So that will be $4 in instant savings between the both of those, making this bottle of body wash, which was started off at $8.99. Now it's only going to be $4 each. So pretty great deal on these, less than 50% off on some really awesome body wash. So this is a fan favorite in my house, the Chobani Flips, especially the cookies and cream. They're on sale at Publix for $10 for 10, but you don't have to buy 10 of them. I'm just going to pick up 5 of these. When I pick up 5 of these at $1 each, it's going to come to $5 in total. And then on the Publix app, there is a $1 off coupon when you buy 5 of those. So this is a no paper coupons needed deal. So we're going to pick up all 5 of these Chobani Flips at just $4 using that digital coupon. The next thing we're getting is a Phage Split Cup. The Phage Total, they're on sale for $10 for 10. I'm going to pick up 2 of these. You don't have to. You can just pick up 1 if you want. But this is going to be one of those 50% off deals because when you pick up 1, they're $1 each. And then we're going to submit to IBOTTA for 50 cents back, making this just 50 cents each. I'm pretty excited about this because it's a no coupons needed deal. Got a great deal on the Activia Dannon Plus. These are usually $4.79. Because they are on BOGO this week, they're going to be $2.40. We have a $1 off coupon from coupons.com. Go and print that off. You can print it off twice. It will make these just $1.40 for each container. You only have to buy one. It'll be $1.40. If you do not have ability to print this coupon from coupons.com, check out the coupons.com app. You may be able to submit to the coupons.com app to get your dollar back. What's the best thing about the IBOTTA app is I try products that I never would have tried before if I didn't have IBOTTA. These high heat cookies, I actually found these on the top shelf on the cookie aisle in Publix. They're usually $3.89. We have a 50% off from IBOTTA. So that's $2.40, making these cookies $1.49. So that's a pretty great deal on the cookies. And this is a limit up to 2 times if you would like to do that. So check these cookies out if you're willing to give them a try. They had chocolate chip, mint chocolate chip, and also a snickerdoodle brand. So I was pretty excited about that. Just wanted to give a shout out to the ladies at Publix today. They are so kind. I always try to make sure that all my coupons are organized and the dates are correct. So be a great couponer and make sure that you are good to go at the register and you're not giving your cashiers a hard time. I hope you guys are watching this video right now from the Publix, my local Publix. I saved over $66 today at Publix. Great haul. Everything you saw in this video was just $25. I did also pick up a cucumber, guys. That was $2.99, which is quite ridiculous. This inflation is killing us all. I love a cucumber, but I don't know, to buy a cucumber for $2.99, that's quite high. But anyways, all right, guys, stay tuned for the devotional. Hey, praisers and savers. Today's devotional from Unhurried makes me think of stinking thinking. Have you guys ever heard that phrase? Stop having stinking thinking. And I think I tell my kids all the time to stop having stinking thinking. And so what that is those negative thoughts, those thoughts that don't help us, that don't bring us peace, that don't bring us joy. We don't need to have them, right? So let's go ahead and read this. This is from Psalms 19:1 and 14. It says, "The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament of his handiwork. Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in thy sight, O Lord, my strength and my redeemer." And here's the devotional. Does your mind ever get a bad attitude? Your mind, not you, your mind. Why is it that your thoughts will skip, laughing hand in hand with hopelessness down the rutted road of negativity and right into the graveyard of depression and discontent? And before you know it, you're thrown down your welcome mat in the tumble-down shack of unhappiness. You swat some cobwebs and plug in your Keurig for company, only to realize that your friends have fled your gloomy abode as if you were dishing up last week's Brussels sprouts. Blah. Yes, we've all slinked away from the conversations, feeling like the thundercloud that broke under the 4th of July picnic, scattering everyone for cover and erasing the sun from the sky. No one wants to invite all that to that party, but you don't have to be that person. You don't have to entertain such destructive thoughts. You can choose the topic of your brain's endless blog post. You can be the moderator of your inner monologue. In fact, you should be. Don't let negative thoughts or stinking thinking and attitudes tie you in knots, like unruly kids left too long without correction. Go Mary Poppins on their bad mood. Take them in hand. Discipline your mind to search out the good around you. Find the spoonful of sugar that's missing from your method of living, and be aware of the landscape of your mind. If you realize you've gotten on the wrong train of thought, get off that train, sister. Buy yourself a new ticket and be renewed in the spirit of your mind, that ye put on the new man, which after God is created in righteousness and true holiness. Ephesians 4:23 and 24. Dragging your mind out of its old way of thinking can feel like pushing a boulder up Everest. So here's Paul's advice for emptying the garbage can of your mind. Whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report, if there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think on these things. Philippians 4:8. Where do your thoughts linger? Today, let those negative musings die of neglect and that abandoned shack, and instead find something true, pure, lovely, or praiseworthy, and think about that. All right, our prayer for tonight. God, alert me when my thoughts run wildly toward criticism, judgment, and complaints. Teach me to corral my thoughts within your parameters of encouragement and purity. Amen. Wow. This made me think of a conversation I had with a friend yesterday about judgment. And we talked about how we judge people all the time. We just do it. And I was passing out blessing bags with someone recently. And we started talking about how the person that we were giving the blessing bags to had a beverage in a brown bag. We all know what that is. And that, I shouldn't give a blessing bag to that person. And I said, yes, I am. I'm still going to give a blessing bag to that person because I shouldn't judge. I don't know their story. And I just gave the bag and I said, would you like a blessing? And they said, sure. And I gave the bag without any, thought. And that's how we should be. We shouldn't be like, well, you're going to get a bag because you don't have a beer. And you're going to get a bag because you don't have a cell phone. But I'm not giving you guys a bag because you have a cell phone and a beer and you have nice shoes. I'm going to give a bag to everyone who needs a bag if I ask. So thought about that a lot in the past 24 hours, especially after my conversation I had with her. And that's really powerful for me. But anyways, all right, guys, make sure that you guys are not having stinking thinking this week. All right. And let me know in the comments if you stop that stinking thinking. All right. I will see you guys next time. Hopefully we'll see you at Kroger or Walmart. I just got to see where the deals take me. All right. Bye, guys.